Okay. Looking into the current problem, a body covers 100 centimeter in first 2 seconds and 128 centimeter in the next 4 seconds. Okay, moving with a constant acceleration. It is given that the whole motion is under a constant acceleration. Find the velocity of the body at the end of 8 seconds. Therefore, they are asking us the velocity of the body at the end of 8th second. Okay. For that, they have given acceleration as constant, but they didn't give the value of acceleration. Instead, they have given us a hint that is for the first 100 centimeter, it is covered in a time of, let's say, t1 is equal to 2 seconds. Let's call this 100 centimeter as S1, displacement 1. Okay. Then the next 128 centimeter, it is covered in a time of 4 seconds. Okay. This is the hint given and we have to solve this problem. In order to solve this problem, let's formulate equations. Let us initially formulate equation regarding to the situation that is mentioned over here. We are using this situation and if we are using the equations of motion, that is, let's use the second equation of motion. What's our second equation of motion? S is equal to ut plus half a t square. Therefore, I'll write S1 is equal to u t1 plus half a t1 square, because the acceleration is a, which is a constant, and the time t1, it is 2 seconds over here, and the displacement is 100 centimeter. Let's substitute. Therefore, 100 centimeter is equal to u into what is t1? It is 2 plus half a into t1 square. That means half a into t1 square, it is 2 square, which is 4. Therefore, we are getting an equation that is 2u 100 is equal to 2u plus 2a. Okay, let's just take this equation as equation number 1. Then if we are considering the total displacement, that is, if we are considering this complete motion and if we are formulating an equation for this complete motion, we are getting an equation that is S is equal to ut plus half a t square. For this, the displacement, the total displacement is S1 plus S2, which is equal to u into what's the total time taken? Can we write as T1 plus T2 plus half a into, instead of t square, here we can write T1 plus T2 the whole square. Let us substitute the values that we know. Do we know the value of S1? Yes, it is 100. What is S2? The second displacement is 128. Therefore, 100 plus 128 is equal to u into what is T1? Actually, T1 is 2 plus what is T2? It is 4 plus half a into T1 plus T2 the whole square, means it is 2 plus 4 the whole square, that is 6 square. Therefore, we are getting 228 is equal to 6u plus 6 square is 36. 36 by 2, it is 18a. Now we got a quadratic equation, and if we are solving 1 and 2, solving 1 and 2, we will get the value of a. I'm not simplifying that, I'll just write the value of a is 6 centimeter per second square. Actually, we are getting the value of a as minus 6 centimeter per second square. That's the answer for solving that two quadratic equation. And since a is equal to minus 6 centimeter per second square, if I am substituting the value of a in this particular equation, we can write 100 is equal to 2u. What is a? It is minus 6, therefore minus 2 into 6, that is 12, therefore minus 12. And from which we will get 2u is equal to, what is 100 minus 12? Let's say it is what, 88, and u is equal to 44. Therefore, initial velocity we are obtaining it as 44 centimeter per second. Clear? No, this is a slight mistake, isn't it? That is, it is 100 plus 12. Therefore, I should have written it as, let me just correct it. Therefore, we are getting 100 plus 12, that is 112, and we are getting 112 divided by 2, which will be what? Okay, u is equal to 56 centimeter per second, isn't it? We're getting an answer like this. And is this the answer? No, this is the initial velocity. Then if you have to find out the velocity at 8 seconds, then let's use the first equation of motion. What's the first equation of motion? V is equal to u plus at. And if I am just using that formula, velocity at the 8th second is equal to, what's u? Since we have obtained the value of u, it is 56 plus, what is a? A, it is actually minus 6 into, since the velocity is at 8th second. Find the velocity at 8th second means the time can be substituted as 8. Therefore, v is equal to, we will get 56 minus, what is the answer? Minus 48, which is equal to what? 8 centimeter per second. Therefore, the velocity at the 8th second is equal to 8 centimeter per second. That's the answer.